Welcome to the Heart Talk, a podcast dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and habits that keep your heart strong and healthy. In today's fast-paced world, where stress is high, lifestyles are sedentary, and processed foods often replace wholesome meals, heart disease has become one of the world's leading health concerns. And alarmingly, it's affecting younger people more than ever before. Hi, I'm Huma Qureshi, and in this episode, we're joined by a leading physician to help us understand how we can protect our hearts, detect early warning signs, and make choices that ensure a longer, healthier life. Together, we break down the science into simple, actionable steps that you can start today, because a healthier heart means a healthier you. So, doctor, tell me, why are so many people today, younger people, even celebrities, getting heart attacks at just 40? I mean, aren't heart problems for older people?
Hello, I'm Dr. Pawan Varyogi, consultant physician and diabetologist. So now what we are going to talk is heart disease in the youngsters, especially below the 40 age people. Once upon a time, this was only considered it was a problem of a 60 and above age. But in present day situation, what we are seeing is this has become a major concern in India. We have been seeing many of the people, especially during their work times, collapsing and not knowing what happened. Why did this happen? Who even have a very good previous history are also suddenly facing this issue. So, what all this and why the reason is? So, when we come to the point here, there are many comorbidities that have been having a negative impact on the heart health, especially the hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, the dyslipidemia, and some kind of respiratory illnesses are very seriously affecting the heart health. And also, to some extent, the genetic predisposition is also having a impact on the heart health. So these all together are just having a great impact on the heart health and leading to the adverse cardiac events in present days.
So, what are the warning signs that I should never ignore when it comes to my heart? And when should I see a doctor?
So when to suspect a heart problem? There are many signs and symptoms that give us a warning signs for suspecting the heart problem. So, firstly, the chest pain, which may be a radiating type or localized type, and when it is radiating to the left arm or heading towards the right side, along with it, if there is any associated breathlessness or giddiness or a severe headache and palpitations. So, these all are the warning signs where we should be very alert and suspect, okay, now there is something problem happening with my heart maybe. So, I should be alert and go and get it evaluated immediately.
And what are the most important daily habits that people can adopt to keep their heart healthy and to reduce the risk of heart disease? And what are the daily habits that people can use to keep their heart healthy and reduce the risk of heart disease?
Okay, now coming to the habits, what we have to just inculcate in our daily lifestyle is that a good heart health always depends on a good lifestyle, especially people who are already smoking or alcoholic should immediately quit smoking and alcohol, and they should always have a good exercise in their daily life, like at least 75 minutes of a strenuous exercise, at least 150 minutes of a moderate exercise, daily walking 10,000 steps. And coming to the diet,
How much do diet and physical activity actually affect your heart health, and what are your top recommendations?
okay, now coming to the habits, what we have to just inculcate in our daily lifestyle is that a good heart health always depends on a good lifestyle, especially people who are already smoking or alcoholic should immediately quit smoking and alcohol, and they should always have a good exercise in their daily life, like at least 75 minutes of a strenuous exercise, at least 150 minutes of a moderate exercise, daily walking 10,000 steps, and coming to the diet. A good diet, especially less fat diet, and availing themselves the DASH diet or Mediterranean diet will be a very wonderful, fruitful results for them. And also, apart from this, we should also be having some mindfulness techniques, yoga, meditation. This all will be helping in maintaining our heart health wonderfully.
What about stress? Does stress actually affect the heart? And what are the practical steps that one can take to reduce it?
Okay, now the stress is a very key component in the heart health, especially stress releases the cortisol. This cortisol has a very negative impact on the heart health. So how do we reduce this cortisol? How do we reduce this stress? How do we protect our heart? These are all the major challenges before every person. So for this purpose, initially what we have to do is that a regular exercise daily, a walk of 10,000 steps minimum, and every week 75 minutes of strenuous exercise and 150 minutes of a moderate exercise, and doing some day-to-day activities in a moderate speed and maintaining the metabolism properly. Okay, and involving any physical activity. Play your favorite game for a few minutes in a day. Okay, and have a positive approach. Have a positive approach. For positive approach, we should be involved in yoga, meditation, and have a group up with the similar minded people who just always talk positive and encourage you, motivate you, and feel they make you feel like you're still strong and you can do more better than yesterday. So these all type of things will be having a very positive impact on ourselves, and especially the very important point what we have to notice that always do care about the family health also, because when we just care about all our family health and we ensure they're all healthy, that will be having a very good impact on our health also. So do care about our loved ones and do care about ourselves. That will always keep ourselves and heart in a wonderful way.
Well, as we wrap up today's conversation, remember your heart's health is in your hands. Every small change you make, from the food you eat, the way you move, and how you manage stress, adds up to a stronger, longer life. We hope the insights have inspired you to take those steps starting today. After all, your heart works for you 24/7. It deserves the same care and commitment from you. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep your heart happy and it will keep you going strong.